Hey guys, it's Phaedra from All Things Phaedra, and I am here at Overland Expo Mountain West, which is a great outdoor show if you're into RVs, if you're into camping, if you're into motorcycles. That's why I'm here. Although I dabble in the outdoors and I dabble a lot in automotive, I'm here specifically to talk about motorcycles. So what's my experience with motorcycles? Well, we are a motorcycle family. That means my husband owns them. I occasionally ride on the back, and that's as far as it goes. Why is that? Because I'm scared. That's what it comes down to. I am scared to get on one of these motorcycles and ride it because I'm afraid I'll crash, I'll fall over. But what it really comes down to is I haven't had the right education and experience to really know what it's all about when it comes to motorcycle riding. So this is the perfect opportunity. This is the Ride With Us Moto intro experience, and it's for people like me that maybe have wanted to try it, but they were just afraid because they don't have the equipment, they don't have the instructors, and they really don't know what they're doing. This is a great experience put on by the Motorcycle Industry Council, where they provide you with all the gear, they provide you with all the instruction, and they provide you with a motorcycle to get on and ride. And you can take the instruction as fast or as slow as you want. Now, do you think I can cut it? Well, let me show you how I did. Welcome to the Ride With Us Moto Intro Experience, where they get you set up with everything you need for your first ride. So the first thing that you want to know before you get on a bike is make sure you have all of the proper gear. And luckily here at the Moto Intro Experience, if you don't have the gear, they're happy to provide it for you. So first thing we want to protect is our head. And this is a full face helmet. You can opt to leave it up. I had it all the way down, and it also offers eye protection. And then you'll want a full jersey, which they'll also provide you if you're not wearing long sleeves, gloves, pants. I wore my own today. And then you want to have your ankles protected. So I wore my own boots, but they also have boots that they can provide you as well. Let's take a look at the motorcycles that they're using today for the riding. This is the Yamaha TW200. It's a great bike for anybody, tall, small, or somewhere in between. I want to show you a couple of the things that they showed me on the bike. Think of it as kind of your primer for motorcycle riding. So what we have here is the throttle, the brake, the handle, and the clutch. Now there is a way to shift gears down here. That's advanced motorcycle riding, and I didn't get into that. We were simply going from 0 to first gear on this motorcycle ride. And so the first thing that they teach you to do is how to sit on it, how to feel comfortable with it, how the throttle works, how the brake works, how the clutch works, and it was a very slow introduction. Exactly what I needed.
You go, okay, I want less. So you can come back a little bit more. And you can kind of divide it up into 5 segments. So if we go all the way in, that's 1. And yeah, 2, 3. Close that hand. There you go. Practice. That's good. Do it again. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, you're pretty good at that. Pretty good at holding that there. Okay. Hold it there. Now let's go to 3. Nice. There you go. Okay.
That was scary.
Yeah. But you got it. Excellent control of that. That was perfect. And you just come up to a ground here. Ground here is fine. Now close your hand.
Now, do you see how slow and patient he's being with me? He's giving me little milestones. What this is doing is building up my confidence just a little bit at a time.
So look in that direction.
And at this point, I'm not really taking my feet off the ground. Like he said, I'm walking with it, so I have a sense of control.
There you go. Just close your hands. You ready to close it in all the way?
I finally felt confident to start doing loops. But you can see I'm going painfully slow at this point, and I'm a little wobbly. but I'm about to learn a few tricks to help me with stability. The first is to make sure I'm moving forward on the seat to adjust my center of gravity, close my knees close to the gas tank, and actually speed up a little bit, because the more speed you have, the more stable you are.
Go left.
You can see how my confidence improved from the very first moment I was on the bike. And at this experience, I saw all kinds of people. I saw men, I saw women, I saw all shapes and sizes. Most importantly, there were instructors, different instructors to help you get started, and instructors positioned everywhere to give you a little bit of help if you needed it, or just words of encouragement. So how did I do, guys? I mean, I didn't drop the bike, and I actually got over 10 miles an hour, so I feel like I did pretty good. And the main thing is that they went as slow as I needed to go, and they were as patient as I needed them to be, and that gave me the confidence, and they gave me the confidence to just push myself a little bit more. And I will say this is a great introduction that made me think, okay, maybe I could do this. So what are the next steps? So if you're interested in riding a motorcycle and seeing if it's something you like or something that you can do, the first step is to check out ridewithus.com, where you can find if there is a Moto intro experience happening at an event near you. And the other thing that you can do is look at the Motorcycle Safety Foundation, which offers motorcycle safety classes around the country. I'll leave links to both of those down below. The last thing that I want to tell you is I was supposed to have my colleague here with me on this trip. If you don't know Amelia from Motorhead Mama, I'm going to send you over to check out her site. We were supposed to do the motorcycle experience together, and at the last minute she ditched me, and here I am all by myself, and I was brave enough to do it anyway. So we need to go over to Amelia's channel, Motorhead Mama, harass her a little bit and tell her she needs to get on those two wheels as well. Let me know what you think about the Moto intro experience, and let me know if you have any questions about my first real motorcycle ride. I'm happy to answer it for you and maybe encourage you to give it a try. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.